Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, basically the home screen. Now, you can press and hold on this screen, on the home screen, to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it and apply it, like this. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So we can wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu, then tap on this icon right here to open the more options in the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and in settings you should see the option called display. Tap on it and then tap on watch face, and this will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list, tap on the watch face you would like to use to apply it. Another way you can change the watch face is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So let me move this to the side, move our watch, bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Like this, unlock the screen on our phone. Okay. Now let's open the DAFIT application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, let's tap on the device icon right here to open the device page, and we should see the device page for our S2. Basically, it should say connected, and the battery level should be visible, so it means that the devices are connected together. Okay, and once you're on the device page, you should see watch faces category. You can scroll through it by swiping left and right, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it, and it should be applied automatically on your watch. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.